How to add follow button on Facebook account. So if you want to add a follow button on your Facebook account, then first you need to open up your Facebook. Once you open your Facebook, now go for the upper right, which has that three bar icon, and you just need to simply scroll down, go for settings and privacy, tap on settings. Once you tap on settings, now scroll down, and here you need to choose how people find and contact you. And under that, you need to simply go for the first option, which is who can send you friend request. And under that, you need to select friends of friends, which I have already chosen. So you can go back and you can simply go for the post, and here go for the first option, which is who can see your future post. Tap on that, and then you need to choose public, which I have already chosen. So tap on public, and then go back and go for followers and public content. And under that, here you will have who can see your followers on your timeline or who can follow me. So you need to simply make all of that public. Once you make all of that public, now you can go back and you can reload your page. And once you've reloaded, your problem will be fixed. So that's how you can follow. And once you've reloaded, your follow button will be added to your Facebook profile. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.